We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 2 here on number 60 here on Jones Field number 2. We have all robots on the move as from close Sushi Squad is cycling through and picking up those artifacts. It appeared though that they had possession of 4 when they did so. Back on the red side, we have got Robot who is cycling from that far launch zone, while their teammate Pioneer Robotics did the same from up close. Entering the driver control period, we are slightly more than 10 points between the 2 teams, as we shall see what is to come. Launching from afar, we have some collisions going on as Got Robot was pinned in over there, but still managed to make their shots by the 2 blue robots. Going and fighting over that far launch zone is Got Robot, joined by the Mechaneers, who are both trying to make work of that small area. Up close, we have on the Red Alliance Pioneer Robotics, who is shooting in those artifacts, going 1 for 3 on that last attempt. And they are joined by Sushi Squad, who is doing the same for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance deciding to empty that ramp to get all of those artifacts to be back in play for them, so they can score as many as possible with the minute remaining in gameplay. It does appear that the Mechaneers are struggling to find their aim in this near end zone, but hoping with this new attempt that they will be able to plant those shots. And they do, scoring 3 for 3. In the far end zone, Got Robot is continuing to do their thing, going back and forth, picking up, and going to box out the Mechaneers. They are in a tight battle in that far launch zone, while the 2 robots in this near launch zone are continuing to do their thing seamlessly and reliably. It is time. We are entering endgame, and these teams have a choice to make. Can they fill up these ramps? Will the blue team decide to empty it, or will they keep launching those artifacts to get them classified before the end as we finish in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On the board for the last match of round 5. The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 264 to 149, with 4 ranking points, means upward motion into the top 30 for both teams on red.